So up ahead here we've got two catamarans, and I'd say they left an hour before us. One is one I can see up ahead easily is Lagoon 44, and then one a little bit further ahead is Leopard 46, I think. And yeah, on this point of sail we'll be catching them, and really I think they're not as fast as everybody makes them out to be. Under certain conditions they probably are, but it's amazing. We're an hour behind them and now we're catching up. We're close to the lagoon now. Shallows start coming up. So we just crossed the international date line and went back a day, got a day younger. Sitting here just off the reef, basically off the entrance of the lagoon. It's right here, waves breaking on either side. Pretty scary. I hate these entrances. Looks like a beautiful island, Fulaga, in the lagoon. See the reefs right behind us, they're breaking, and the Garmin charts are totally off. It's Brave, there's Brave, catamaran we sailed with. Okay, so this is the pass. We're following Brave in, because they're brave. There's the reef on the side here, you can see. The Garmin charts are way off. Actually, the Garmin chart has us running over the reef. So those are the waypoints we've got.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. Something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end